Good afternoon, dear students. Today I am going to start very important business service required in the business organization, that is insurance. As you all know, insurance is very important business service which is used to eliminate risk from the business. So let's start the topic with the definition. Yes, students, see the definition of insurance. Insurance is a contract or agreement. So, students, insurance is a type of contract or agreement between two parties where one party promises to pay a fixed amount of money to other party. So, who is this one party? First party. This first party is the insurance company, which is doing promise to pay a fixed amount of money to other party. Other party is insured, who is taking insurance policy. He is the other party. So one party is promising to other party to pay a fixed amount of money on the happening of an event, means if there will be any loss. Suppose there is death of the insured or there is any other loss for which insurance policy is taken. So this is called the happening of an event. Means when there will be any accident, then fixed amount of money will be paid by insurance company to insurer, or at the expiry of the period. Suppose there is no loss, period for which policy is taken, that period is expired. Then at the expiry of the period, fixed amount will be given, whichever is earlier. Means if loss happens earlier than the expiry of period, then amount will be given by insurance company, or if period is expired first, then amount will be paid by insurance company. Now the meaning is clear. Either on the happening of an event or at the expiry of the period, whichever is earlier. In return of fixed consideration called premium, it means insured has to pay a fixed amount of money to insurance company also. That fixed amount of money is called as premium. So this is the definition of insurance. In this definition I discussed four terms. First is insurer. Insurer is the insurance company which is providing insurance facility. Insured is the party which is taking insurance policy. Third term I discussed contract. Insurance is a contract or agreement called as insurance policy. And fourth term I discussed premium, that insured also have to pay some amount of money to insurance company called as premium. Now students, I will discuss with you some functions of insurance. First is providing certainty. Insurance provide certainty to the insured that company will pay fixed amount of money to the insured on the happening of an event. There is uncertainty that event will happen or not, but it is certain that if there will be any mishappening, then money will be paid by insurance company. Students, the second function of insurance is protection. Insurance provide protection against any mishappening happens to the insured. Insurance cannot stop mishappening, but it can compensate for the losses occurring because of the mishappening. Third function is risk sharing. Yes, students, as I told you, compensation is paid by insurance company to the insured on the happening of a certain event. But from where this money comes to insurance company? As I told you, every person who is taking insurance policy has to deposit a fixed premium to the insurance company. So in this way, large amount of money is collected to the insurance company through premium. So that premium is used to pay compensation if any loss occur to any of the insured. So in this way, compensation paid to the insured comes from the premium paid by large number of people. So in this way we can say risk of a person is shared between so many persons. Last function of insurance is assist in capital formation. Insurance, whatever amount collects with the help of premium, that amount is invested by insurance company in profitable projects. So investing money in the profitable projects leads to capital formation. So here students, functions of insurance are over. I hope today's topic is clear to all. Thank you students.